Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone keeps telling you that you may have full bars on your specific device, but there can be a situation where for some reason you're not getting any signal at all. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons, but typically the first thing I would recommend looking at is making sure that other devices that you have in the area are also having the same issue. So first of all, if you have been using this specific network for a while, let's say it's your home Wi-Fi or something, and you're noticing that your Wi-Fi is just not working or it's saying, not things loading or whatever, well, I would recommend looking at any other devices you have. If you have another laptop or another iPhone or another iPad, I would recommend looking at those specific devices and actually seeing if those devices are also experiencing the same issue. If those are, then it may mean that your network, is having an issue. So your router, and you may have to just restart the router, or you may have to contact your network provider and have them basically fix it. But that is the number one thing I've seen in my personal life that's ended up happening. And I'm pretty sure if you're following this video, somehow you're probably connected to data or something. And as I mentioned, if other devices are experiencing that too, there may be an issue with your specific network provider. So I'd recommend going through there and actually contacting them and having them fix it. Now, let's say that's not the issue and it just seems like that's like whatever. Well, what I would recommend doing at this point is actually going into your Wi-Fi settings. So you want to go into Wi-Fi, or you just set your settings. You want to scroll down to Wi-Fi right here, and you want to totally turn off your Wi-Fi and then re-enable it. That is probably another big thing you can do if no other devices are experiencing this issue. You want to restart the Wi-Fi on your specific device and reconnect to it and see if that fixed it. This probably at this point should probably fix it for a lot of you. If you're still experiencing issues and it's not fixed as of this point, I would recommend trying a different network. Maybe this specific network doesn't work. I would recommend trying the 2G network that you have, or connecting to a neighbor's Wi-Fi or something like that if you can, and seeing if that works there too. Typically, to be honest, this will probably end up fixing it, but there can be a situation where it doesn't. In that point, I would probably recommend going through and testing a different network. That's probably the only other thing you can do. Now, let's say you tried all of that and it's still not working. The next thing I would recommend doing is going into general. So in your settings, you want to go into software update and see if you have an update available. If you already don't have Wi-Fi, so you probably won't be able to see this, but you could connect to a computer or some sort and have it update through that way. That's also another big thing you can do. But updating your device could potentially fix this issue as well. If you followed all these steps and for some reason it's still not working, I would recommend restarting your phone. You can also factory reset your device. Typically, you should be good to go. Most of the time, it's not your iPhone that's the issue. It's like the Wi-Fi router that's the issue. So keep that in mind, but that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.